What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday. So, when is a good time to hire someone to do the job versus doing it yourself? That's what I want to talk about quickly today. So, I think number one, if it's a complicated job, so, something you need a permit for, or it's going to take more than a day, that's your perfect time to start thinking about hiring someone, right? So, like I talked about a little bit on the Handyman Success podcast, my phone rings in three scenarios: dirty, difficult, dangerous. Like it's literally that simple. So, people don't want to change toilets. People don't want to get underneath the sink, swap out a faucet. People are scared of electricity. They don't necessarily want to change a ceiling fan or change out a switch. So, or maybe they don't know how to, or maybe they don't want to buy a tool just for that job. And so it makes sense to just put the money that they would have spent for the tool and have to figure it out into just the job. So if you're a homeowner or a DIYer, you got to really figure out, when does it make sense to buy certain tools? When does it make sense to do certain jobs? But in my opinion, if you think that there's enough information, like on YouTube, or you can figure out how to do it, absolutely, go for it, do it. Changing out a toilet is not that hard. I mean, it can be a little dirty, it can be a little nasty, but the worst thing you'll probably run into changing out a toilet is either a flange that's not put in right, or your angle stop doesn't work. And so now you got two projects: got a new angle stop and a new toilet to put in. So, but for the most part, these are jobs you can do. These are jobs you should not be scared of. I think some people, there are those clients who they don't have time. Like they don't have the time. They would just rather pay to make the problem go away. And sorry guys, I'm still a little sick, I guess, or maybe it's just springtime. But yeah. So there's a time and a place to hire someone, and even as like a DIYer like me, or a handyman, or some type of contractor, you're always going to be put in those situations where it's like, okay, can I really do this, or should I maybe start looking at hiring this out? I had some work done on my front yard that I thought I was going to be able to do. And once I realized what all it was going to take, I was like, this is no way. This is going to take me like 4 days. I thought it was going to take me a day. And so we hired a landscaper, and I remember leaving for work that day, and I'm leaving, and there's like 5 of them out there working, and they were here all day. And so these are the things you got to think about. So if you're wondering, can I do this job, or should I be looking at hiring someone? Number one, tools. Number two, time. And then number three, like how difficult is this really going to be? So once you've kind of figured those things out, then you can decide, all right, yeah, I need to start looking for handyman or contractor, or whoever, plumber, electrician, drywaller, whoever, right? But anyway, let me know your guys' thoughts. If you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.